Breathing in, sitting up straight, your feet on the floor. Take in deep breath, allowing yourself relaxation as the air moves through, nourishing. And with outward breath, letting all tensions go, allowing yourself surrender into the peace from within. And breathing in, taking in newness in thought, in heart emotion, uplifting yourself. Imagine and know it flows throughout your entire body, rejuvenating, bringing in new life, new opportunity, and breathing out, letting out the old, the past, and what no longer serves you. And again, breathing in newness and rejuvenation, open to the flow of life in new direction. Breathing out, allowing all tension, blocks of your mind, of your heart's emotion to flow away, leaving you. And as you breathe, bring your awareness, your attention and focus to the center of your chest and in the very center of your body in this region. And imagine, see, know that there is a glorious flame. The flame, the heat of passion for life, igniting creativity, igniting your desire to live, your passion for freedom, from addiction, from heartache, from all that you have held that gets in your way. And as you see this flame, recognize and know that with each inward breath, the flame gets larger, grows brighter, spreads light throughout your whole chest cavity, throughout your emotional being. These begin to shoot and flow down through your body, down past your navel, further to your root, your perineum, connecting your energy centers. The light moves down through hips, thighs, through knees and calves, ankles and feet. It flows out through the bottoms, cleansing, moving out the old, making room for new. And continuing breathing in and out, the light flows out. It flows up to your shoulders, down your arms, past elbows and wrists, and out your palms. Cleansing with renewal. And through your throat, the base of your skull, through your face, your brain, the top of your head, and exits, cleansing your thoughts, making room for new, invigorating neurotransmissions, and you continue breathing in and out, in and out, in and out. Like the ocean waves, the ebb and flow, the breath of life, divine spirit moves through you, and the light of the flame from your heart moves through, regenerating love, passion, and interest in your life and in your pursuits. And within your heart center, where this glorious flame lives, turn your attention, your full focus, and see and know that within this space there is contained your deepest wish, your hope, your desires, that are in alignment with your highest good, that are in alignment for the good of all. And allow yourself to imagine aligning with this desire, allowing your heart's emotion to open, to feel the freedom, the joy, the happiness as you imagine having and being and walking in ownership of this desire in your life. How are you living? What are you doing? How do you feel knowing your life, your body, your mind is enriched? That you are blessed? See and feel yourself living in this expression. Make it real. Have ownership. Be present. And from your heart center, expanding through your body as the light of the flame flows, as you hold dear and true and accurate the emotion and the knowing of your desire and having it of being real in your life, in your world. And rising up through your body, through your throat, through your mind's eye and vision, and through the crown of your head, the energy flows, projecting, allowing connection out through your etheric body, the blueprint of your soul, your expanded true self, flowing through all realms, all dimensional space to oneness. And as connection with Source, the greater mind that is, allow and know fully this desire is placed as vision, as truth, as ownership within that plane and realm. And as you continue your breath, allowing the knowing that this manifestation and your surrender and release of it to the great unknown, to the divine being you are part of, is accepted and seen and heard and well received. And letting go into the void, this thought, this creation, this emotion of elevated joy, and flowing back down through this connection, through the realms, the dimensions, the frequencies, and enters your form, flowing through as brilliant light, cycling through all energy chakra centers, connecting you here and now with the manifestation of your hope, your knowing, your vision, and your creation, your dream. And the energies flow moving down through your lower extremities, out your feet, connecting you with earth, with loving harmony and grounding. And allow yourself surrender into this connection. Connected with oneness, with Source, through the realm of your heart, the flow of love through you, and grounded with earth for stability, safety, and support. And as you are ready, bring your self-awareness back into your body fully, continuing to leave your heart center open, the flame flowing bright, lighting the way through you. Your connection with earth, with heaven, the divine, and knowing the elevated joy of receivership of that which you create.